We'll check this one. It doesn't look like there's many bees in it, but that could be deceiving.
Again, that's the thing, innit? You know, sometimes you day say that they've been very busy, and the next day it's been reasonably busy. Decent amount in there, haven't we? Let's have a look anyway.
I've got my glove on.
There's the food in there. I reckon there might be some brood in there.
Okay.
Stop this down, haven't
That was a bit small, wasn't it?
we? I don't know, they're on
On all of the brood, don't you?
7 frames. Let's have a look. Let's find out. Food in there. Reasonably calm, I'd say.
Yeah.
Is always a good sign. Food in and all. There's larvae catch stuff. There.
Oh, yeah, plenty of it.
So what's the eggs on? Yeah, see the egg salutes. Yeah,
Yeah, I don't think they can see them on the video.
they're all, she's laid all that bit of eggs. So that's,
So she's good.
like I say, that's what you want to see. If there was just a one little patch of eggs, it's no good. It's failing queen already, so you have to merge the hive or whatever you want to do. But she's laying in all the spaces she should be. That's good.
Where did this hive come from? It's one you got from somewhere, ain't
There's a swarm of Hollands.
it? Oh, right.
So this one is screwed
Right.
because all these other frames are all food. So I've got like one frame
A brood.
of them eggs and brood, which isn't enough. And this one, will it? No, next one. There's all food in there. I can't see. Is there any eggs in?
No, it's all food in there. Look in there. Look like all food.
So that's. I thought I was going to find some more brood in that all the rest of the frames, but I ain't. So that ain't there.
Not a very good queen then.
It's just not enough, mate. There's only that bit I found in there.
You can't leave her.
Okay. I mean, to be fair, I mean, the irony is she has laid up as she should do, all in there, obviously because there's been cat brood in the hatch and she's relayed. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to merge it all,
Not for now, but
Not for
maybe
now.
in the future.
and she's laid up there, so
So they don't need any food for the winter because they're chock-a-block.
absolutely. You know what, even if she failed, we've got all that food to feed.
Yeah,
And
yeah. Maybe she won't fail. Maybe she'll just be a slower queen.
She
Maybe
could
they
be.
don't swarm.
You-
Maybe a slower queen wouldn't swarm. Because they
Yeah, I
won't
mean, see, that's the
get so
thing.
big.
You know,
You
that's
just
the-
want like steady production rather. You can have fast production, but you can also be too many swarms and stuff then, can't you?
and you get used
Because
to
they only
seeing,
swarm when they fill up, don't they?
yeah, and you get used to seeing the bigger hives with a lot of eggs.
Yeah.
And you come across one that actually Because actually, September she should be slowing right down.
Yeah.
You know, so there is that as well. So you
Well,
can't.
and that's possibly a wild bee in it. So would it be doing so much as a box fast?
Exactly. Well, I'm going to strip out and put a couple of strips.
Cup of tea.
Different temperament as well, aren't you?
Oh, they're all right, really.
Yeah.
And give them some moat treatment.
At the end of the day, if he even lost the queen, still got to be the stormy treating, doesn't he? You know, it's getting through. Don't be stingy, folks, on the chemical buy. You know, you get your honey from them, so you got to look at them. Just
Well, we
treat the
can
buggers.
watch this one next year and see how much honey we actually get off it.
Yeah.
See if it's slow and steady. Or just a waste of time.
Yeah, I mean, but for the sake of a couple of strips, we shall see.
Or maybe they're suffering from a few moats, that's why they're slowed down, you never know.
Possibly,
really.
that's the thing, isn't it? They could have a high mic count in there, and that could be one of the reasons. So, give me a.
The more hives you got, the more likely that is for problems, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, another video done.
You can view it in about a month and a half, folks.
Yeah, because I can't upload them very well on
Just save them
Facebook,
for Christmas Day.
because Facebook is shit. But YouTube is much better.